What is up, A team? Welcome back. Awesome, Austin here. Hope everyone's having an awesome day, or not, depending on where you're at, but I hope it is awesome. And yes, we are back at it today. Feeling really energized today and excited to sort of see where the markets go. We are in a Friday. Seems like we're sort of on the flux of whether Fridays do good or bad. Right now, obviously, the markets are a little bit flat. We had the interest rates come out here today showing that things are actually looking pretty decent. So a lot of positive things here. And it's kind of just one of those days, man. But I want to come out here and just say, dude, Jaco, thank you so much for gifting 100 A-team memberships to the A-team here. I couldn't be more blessed to have someone like you that's going to gift 100 memberships, dude. Thank you so much for doing that. And if Jaco actually gifted you a membership, please say thank you. That is amazing, and I just appreciate the heck out of that. So I just want to start off the show with saying that. Also, we got Double D's coming in here, being a new member of the A-team. Welcome. And again, any of the 100 members that just got gifted a membership, please say thank you, and then welcome. And also on top of that, Jaco comes in here gifting out another $100 banger here with him saying, one last thing tonight. How's our bet going? If you guys don't know, we did make a bet back. Had it been a while back, almost like a month ago. I think we made a bet talking about the price being the end of March for XRP. And he said, by the way, if I win, I'd like you to donate the 300 XRP to your family. I'll do the same. All right, dude. I appreciate that, man. And if you guys don't remember, we actually made a bet that it was right here. If you guys don't remember, that by end of March 2025, XRP will be worth $10.36. Revisit this by March. So there's the bet right there. And hey, man, Jacob, I appreciate that a ton, dude. Thank you so much for the donation to the channel and to open up this live on a Friday. You made my day, man. And thank you so much. And like I said, really appreciate all the support by the A-team. And I couldn't be happier to be a part of it. So thanks again, man. Respect all for the crews who lost their lives in the accident. 100%, dude. That's a crazy thing that's happened. And I couldn't agree more with everyone here on that one. So again, appreciate you, Jaco, as always, man. And let's say what's up to everyone here. We got Adam in the house here. We got Taz. What's going on? Selmo Fuds in the house. What's up, guys? What's up? We got Mike. Good to see you. Jam, Adam, Viet, Liza. I say Liza. Liza. We got Liza in the house here. We got Shogun, Toby, Queef. What's up, man? We got a lot of people in the house already, man. This thing is already popping off here. Here we go. Kyle, what's going on, man? A-team ready to rocket ship? Yeah, so let's jump into it, man. We got a lot of things to cover today. Oops, as you guys know right here, let me add this back to my stage. I actually took it off stage. The key feds came out with a measure showing that core inflation is at a 2.8%. This is in line with expectations. So the markets actually acted really good to this. On top of that, there's a lot of pressure here with the DeepSeek sell-off, right? So we had this massive sell-off because of DeepSeek. However, across the globe, international pressure has come on to where people are now raising the flags to DeepSeek. Rightfully so, right? I mean, we got an AI generated software out there in DeepSeek, and it's coming from obviously one of the most corrupt governments in the world in China. No offense to China, but I mean, we all know that. They're definitely not our friends or an ally. And I think a lot of people on the international stage probably feel the same way. Again, to each your own on that one, but I mean, you're not going to just invite this into your into your house. And so I think there's a lot of pressure coming back from the DeepSeek thing. So we're actually coming back, and you can see a lot of things getting wiped off. People are starting to put money back into the markets. You can see right here that obviously throughout yesterday and into today, the markets have actually gone down just slightly a bit. It's mostly flat. I wouldn't even say it's slightly down. I'd say it's kind of flat for the most part. Some of the projects have actually done well. I mean, even Ethereum back up above 3,400, slightly come down over the last hour. Same with XRP. XRP back down to 307. We've got Stellar. Stellar's actually come down slightly, and then Hedera also coming down, still 8% down over the week. So some big things happening here overall from the market standpoint. But like I said, the good thing is that the key measures actually showed that we're at a 2.8%, which is in line with what we wanted. This is actually really good moving forward. This is what we wanted to hear going into February. Again, I'll repeat myself like I always do, is that usually history repeats itself, or at least gets somewhere close to it. And we know that February is a really good month for crypto and for the markets. And I think we actually set up a really good month knowing that we are flat, because as you guys know, there is no FOMC meeting when it comes to February. We will have the next one at the end of March. Usually that's when the markets seem to sputter, but we'll see what happens here. We obviously know that there's massive tariffs that are coming out here. Trump came out and announced that any BRICS nation is going to have 100% tariff for any of their products or goods sold coming to America. He just actually came out and said that Mexico and Canada are going to get a 25% tariff. And that kind of actually took out a lot of, I mean, the Canadian dollar was already going down, but I mean, like it actually kind of looked crazy yesterday with the Canadian dollar there. Unfortunately, that kind of sucks for the Canadian economy. But as you guys know, I mean, this is gonna ruffle some feathers. This is gonna ruffle feathers on the international stage, and I think it's gonna be really, really important to know that we don't know what's going to happen here. I mean, this is a complete shift to how we've ever moved forward before. I mean, having tariffs like this is kind of crazy, right? So that's things that we want to jump into here. One great thing here, though, is that you can see right here, $23 billion Canadian asset manager joins the race for the ETFs with XRP. This came out yesterday that Grayscale actually came out and launched, an ETF, or they wanted to come out and they put forth an application to the SEC to be able to move forward with an ETF for XRP. This is going to be big, man. I think an ETF for XRP can actually catapult. I might be with Jaco on this, dude. I might actually lose the bet. If they actually come out and launch this ETF here in February, and we're actually moving forward with the decrease, if they actually wipe away the appeal with the SEC, dude, I think XRP could be right up there, man. I think XRP is going to be sitting there right with Ethereum in terms of market cap, dude. I'll be actually kind of shocked. I might actually lose this bet, dude. At first I was like, I'll take the bet. I don't think it's going to hit $10, but I mean, if we have an ETF, we have ETFs dropping across the globe for XRP, and we have the wiping away of the settlement or having a settlement or that they don't appeal with the SEC. I mean, I don't know what's going to happen, dude, but $10 does not seem like it's that far away. I mean, we're sitting at $3.07 right now. $10, I mean, that's literally we're going up almost a 2.5x from there, but it's still like, it doesn't seem like it's that hard to get to. So it'll be interesting to sort of see what happens here. So yeah, it's got, it's kind of funny how that all works, but yeah, it's good to see everyone in here. What do we got here? We got Selmo. Yeah, good morning, Michaela. Good to see you, Lance. We got Lance in the house here. Caesar. We got Auto Pops. What's up, bud? Matthew. I'm going fast, so if I miss your guys' names, I'm sorry, dude. I'm just going quick. Chameleon's in the house here. Good to see you guys. Tim Shea, we got the Mayor Crypto in the house. Good to see you, buddy. Be kind to your neighbors. Absolutely be kind to your neighbors. But for some reason, we're not being kind in terms of America, right? Augustine, what's up, man? Alt season's kind of right. Everyone thinks that alt season's underway. Obviously, I think a lot of the Ethereum pump has to do with that good old World Liberty Finance. As you guys know, I've said it before and I'll say it again. They are the MicroStrategy 2.0 coming in here. They're going to kind of come in and buy up a lot of the markets, and I think they're going to create their own little reserve with these things. And by doing that, I think they have a chance to do exactly what MicroStrategies does, but on a crypto side. And you go down and you look at the team. I mean, the team alone, I mean, it's a pretty stacked team. I mean, just these four individuals right here, having them on your team's enough, right? But you start to do some of the things that Michael Saylor did, and you do it on the crypto side, it kind of opens up the door for a lot of things. So, yeah. Since when does the world trust China? I don't think they do. What's up, Rebecca? We got Seiko Hunt. What's up, Seiko? We got Kokor. Good to see Kokor. See my mods in the house here. Appreciate you guys for being here. Appreciate you all being here. We got Boroshido. What's up, man? Jonathan Yates. Good morning, 18. What's up, Stop Sign? Are you ready? XRP, this XRP changes everything. XRP this big. What's up, Lincoln Lewis? Yeah, I mean, I think there's a lot of positive things with XRP. I mean, even from the Ripple standpoint on their stablecoin, I don't think people realize how important the RLUSD is to their ecosystem here. You actually had some people actually come out and talk about this. As you guys know, you guys probably like this guy. His name's Austin King. If you guys are following Omni Finance, and here you go right here. I mean, he comes out and actually talks about this. Most people don't understand the impact of RLSD will have on XRP Ledger. If you think this is about a stablecoin, you're missing the scale of the opportunity. I mean, if you actually go and go read this tweet right here of what Austin King is saying here, and it is kind of eye-opening as to like how important this is. And I said Omni, it's Ondo, is probably one of the biggest things here. This week, Ondo Finance announces they are launching tokenized treasury bills on the XRP Ledger. That's huge, right? And so there's just a bunch of things here. I'll put this tweet down below in my description box because I think it's important that you guys fully understand what RLUSD is going to do and how it's going to actually grow the XRPL. And so again, it's not just a stable coin. I get the stable coin of it. I get all that kind of stuff. But really what it comes down to is, what it can actually do for XRP Ledger. And that's what kind of excites me. So are you ready for more BS hype headlines? I think there's a lot of good things coming, dude. I think, are you ready is the big one, dude. Are you ready for February 1st, man? That's really what it comes down to here. And I think a lot of people are either ready or they're not. So it depends on where you're at. I come here to unlike these hype videos now. You guys are angry this morning. Gosh, Friday opens up and we got some angry people in the house here. Let's see that. Hit the like button, subscribe. Thank you so much, Seiko. Need this stupid case to be over. 100%. Do tariffs can accelerate the use of crypto, especially for tax-free U.S.? 100%. Show up in all places. The only thing that it achieve is to bring bad luck to the markets with these programs. You think so? You think so? What's up? What's up, Intrigue? Good to see you, dude. What's popping, Gage? What's up, Gage? Good to see you. Love your video. I appreciate the Ollie. Thank you so much, dude. Let's see here. Afternoon team, new to crypto. What is the benefit of the ETF? Well, I mean, you're going to now, what the benefit of ETF is you're going to be able to invest your 401k retirements and stuff into an ETF. So, you won't have to go through an exchange or anything like that. You'll be able to go through your broker. That's kind of the best thing here. Austin, do you like teriyaki? Yeah, I do. I like teriyaki. Did you know that Seattle was the first place to actually create teriyaki? That's the memo out there. Is that the Seattle was the first to make to create teriyaki? I know that's up for debate, but they're saying that Seattle is the place that created teriyaki. Look it up. Look it up. It's rare to find bad teriyaki places. Yeah, Seattle is like the hub for. They are the one that created teriyaki, dude. Dude, Jago coming in hot with another 50 bomb. Gosh, dang, bro. Appreciate you a ton, man. You donated a hell of a lot to the A team today, dude. I appreciate that. At the end of the day, it was a friendly bet based on averages. Whoever wins, we both win. Let's bet on that. Like I said, 300 either way. Let's share it with the A team. I appreciate that. Yes, 100%, Jaco. Again, whatever works out, it works out, right, dude? And I appreciate it, dude. It's a fun, friendly bet. You got to have some fun, dude. And right now with the bear market or the bull market in full effect, and there's going to be a lot of good things coming. I feel in here in 2025. I'm all for it, bro. So hell yeah, dude. And thanks so much, man. I appreciate it as always. Thank you. Yeah, see, Michaela knows the teriyaki in Seattle is undefeated. It's because we created Seattle has actually created the teriyaki, dude. So I saw the Bitcoin ATMs at Costco. Really? Costco has ATMs? Damn, I didn't know they had ATMs for Bitcoin. Austin, can you name your top 6 crypto coins? Well, yeah, we got Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, HBAR. We got XLM, and right now my other one's Chainlink, dude. I mean, that's kind of where I'm at right now. What's good, Paul? Good to see you, man. Ready for this long coming? Yeah. What's up, Soul of Jeffy? Been watching you since the Luna Classic days. Jesus, love you so much. Oh, dude, no dramas, mate. I appreciate that, man. Luna days those are always fun, man. The Luna days are great, dude. You go look back and it's kind of crazy. So like I was saying here, Trump says 25% tariffs on Mexico and Canada may not include oil. So that's actually a positive thing. Oil is going to have nothing to do with this as far as I'm concerned. So again, oil could be off the table, but everything else from a good standpoint is. It's going to be interesting to sort of see how these tariffs happen. I don't know how it's going to affect the markets. We've never had this before, right? We've had tariffs. Last presidency for Trump, we had some tariffs with China and stuff like that, which again, the tariffs have stayed the same. Even the Biden administration didn't change the tariffs with China. But now we're taking a stronger stance, right? I mean, we never tariffed Mexico. We never tariffed Canada. And we definitely are not putting 100% tariffs on every single BRICS nation out there. We're talking Brazil, Russia, China, India. I mean, you go down the whole list. I don't even know all the other damn names, but there's so many of them now. I can't remember. I think there's like 50 nations under BRICS now or some crap like that. So imagine if you're under there, how much you're not going to be, you're going to get screwed. I mean, it's going to be interesting to see how it plays out. I don't know. Some people say that tariffs are going to hurt the American people. Some people say that tariffs are going to hurt the other companies. Dude, I don't know. I guess we're going to have to wait this out and play it out and see where the chips fall, right? All the growth within Ripple space is good for XRP holders. 100%, dude. I think anyone that's a little disappointed about XRP or pissed off about where XRP is going is just, obviously they just don't like XRP. They missed the boat. They're bitter about XRP, or they're, I don't know. I don't know what it is. I don't know why you'd be rooting against people who are making really good money in XRP. Or just in general, why are people so upset of other people making money in this space, right? That's what kind of gets me, kind of blows me away, is that you got a lot of people out here that are just angry about people who are making money off XRP or making money off any other crypto, and they just get sort of bitter and upset and angry. And it's kind of like, man, why? What's the point? What's the point, right? I'm new to the channel, but not XRP. Averages 62 cents. Damn, Lonnie, that's awesome, man. Every day above grass is a good day, Austin. Dude, Route 66. Amen to that, dude. True there. This stream is sponsored by Jayco. Hell yeah, dude. Yeah, I appreciate the donations, man. Like, honestly, you're a blessing, dude. That's amazing, dude. I didn't expect to come on to a Friday stream, with literally, what is that, like $350 that you've donated to the stream so far. That's insane, bro. That's insane. And I couldn't even, it kind of blows my mind, dude. Tariffs are good for crypto, but terrible for the economy. That's probably a good way to look at it. I agree. I could be interesting to see how they play. I don't know how they're going to play out, dude. I mean, I love you, Austin. He's like the most humble person I've ever, dude, Vintage USA. Thank you, man. You guys are awesome. You guys are awesome. So let's actually look at some of the prices here. Let's actually look at some of the charts here. As you guys know, you can sort of see that Bitcoin's down at 104 again. We did tap into 105. I mean, we're up over, I don't know, what, 79 bucks. We're barely up, just above water here. Ethereum was actually ripping today. This thing went up almost, I thought it was going to actually hit. We had a potential for this to keep rising and maybe get back up to 3.5, and we still do. But this thing hit about roughly 344, I think is where it was when I looked on Coinbase when I was looking at it. But, again, we want this to continue to rise as Bitcoin dominance falls. I guess we could probably look and see that Bitcoin dominance probably fell, which is why Ethereum was going up. Yeah, you can see right here, Bitcoin dominance was falling, causing Ethereum's to go up, but now we're sort of having this hiccup. So Ethereum's come back down slightly. XRP looking kind of flat though. Again, this is kind of what I said, is that we'd be right around. If you guys don't remember, when we were actually up here the other day, I said that we would probably fall back down to roughly this 308 marker, somewhere in this 308 to 307. I actually said that on stream, and that's exactly where we're at. We're going to trade sideways here. We have roughly, if you look at the XRP chart that we had out here, we are roughly, I predicted about February 13th. That could be a little too far, but I mean, we could have some trending sideways, which would be fine, right? Build another nice little bull flag. Again, it would be nice to create another bull. We're creating another little bull flag right here, which is really nice. So we can continue to trend into this bull flag area and then hopefully bounce back up to the next level. That is the goal. So we're going to continue that. Austin, where's Doug? I don't know. Seattle has some good teriyaki 8s. All right. Yeah, I can't remember the name of the sub. I'm about to drop a 200 sub. Oh, shoot. Yes, can you use the money to buy us teriyaki, please? Teriyaki is Japanese, mate. Yeah, but it was created here, and look it up, man. To ask, go Google, where was teriyaki created, and it'll say Seattle. Let's see here. When Paul Atkins first day, he hasn't actually been in front of the Senate, right? He has to get approved by the Senate. Just grab some quant for a hold. Nice, dude. Just grab some quant. When is a good time to buy Chainlink? I mean, Chainlink was kind of like that one. I mean, it's looking like it's trading sideways right now. I think Chainlink's in a good opportunity period. I don't think there's any, when I'm looking at this, it's not even in a bad spot as of right now. I mean, we go back and look at where it was. I mean, all-time highs was up here at 50 for all-time highs. This thing just in the cycle got up to 30 right here, and we're already building back up to 25. I mean, I bought down here at 18.5, still holding it. So, I mean, still looking pretty good right now. I'm actually kind of happy with my Chainlink. I'm happy that I can't remember who brought this up to me that day, but I bought it and I was so thankful. I'm up almost 40% with that, which is fantastic, dude. So thank you to whoever that was. I can't ever remember who it was that told me to look at that day. Austin, you should get an XRP emoji. I know, I need to do that, dude. I need to do that. BRIC stands for Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa. That's what it was. But then there's 50 other nations involved with it, right? Team No Sleep this weekend, looking for a better dip. I'm with you, Kerry. I'm with you. We're gonna keep looking for a better dip. You could have actually got into a pretty good dip with HBAR yesterday. As you guys know, yesterday was kind of a funky day. Things were looking really good, and then they kind of came down a little flat. But even yesterday, you could get down here, dipped right below the golden pocket right here yesterday. right around Thursday. It had been right around midnight, I think it was. Again, midnight was always the nights that seem to do well. This went all the way down to about 30, what is it, 305. And I mean, it went all the way up to almost 3.32. I think it was right over 3.2. So you could have made a nice little return on that if you were actually following it. I think it was almost like a 6%, 5% return, which again wouldn't be too bad. So there's some swing opportunities here. It's dipping back into the golden pocket here, as you can see. We're in the golden pocket now, right on the verge of it, right at the 618. You can see the level of support right now is sitting down here at the 30 marker, right? 0.301. You had a lot of volume right in here. I don't see this really. I can see this probably trading sideways here for a little bit. If we go till February 10th, like I was saying, somewhere in that February 10th to February 13th marker, I mean, this could probably build sideways again and continue to move its path, right? We're building another. This actually had a pretty good dip on it, but I think we'll build right out of this. We have a nice little opportunity to build out of this. Damn, Jaco coming in hot with another $100 donation. Gosh, Jaco coming in hot. I bought 20,000 XRP at 35 cents, so I'm happy. 300 XRP donation is nothing. But again, for a friendly bet, I'm your subscribers. We'll be happy to get 100 XRP at 10, 20, or 100. Dude, I appreciate that, man. Yeah, that's awesome, dude. And I appreciate the $100 donation. And yeah, that's a good buy, dude. 20,000 XRP at 35 cents is a steal of a deal, dude. If we could go back in time to that had to been what, May of 2022. I'm going to say it was May. What was it? May or June of 2022, I think, is when that price point hit, somewhere in that, right around that 31 to 35 range, back almost 3 years ago, which is crazy to think. 3 years ago, dude, we were at 35 cents. And here we are today at roughly $3.06. And so it's just crazy to think that, right? A 10x of an investment is just on a blue chip is very uncommon. It's very uncommon to 10x a blue chip at this date. You know what I mean? And that's just badass. So thanks again, Jay. I appreciate it so much, dude. You don't even know. RLUSD is getting better on other exchanges, but it isn't. The buy the rumor, sell the news event. Won't XRP get bearish? No, I don't think so. I don't think it has anything to do with that. Can XRP have those price increases that Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana had? Yeah, I think we still are. I mean, dude, you got to think when in doubt, zoom out on this, dude. I mean, we're still up like, what is it, like 800% on XRP? What are we at? Even from November, dude. Even if you bought here in November at 50 cents, I mean, you're up 500%. I mean, dude, that's a 5x. You 5x your investment if you bought in November. You know what I mean? Not even if you include buying back here in May, June of 2022, right here. Right? Like I said, this was kind of where the dates were, right here in June, where this thing fell down into the 30 marker, dude. So if you bought back here at the 30, at like where Jaco bought right here at 35, right here's 35. He is currently up almost 765% on his investment, and I'm right there with him. So like, dude, that's a crazy gain. You know what I mean? That's a really cool. If it gets back up to our price predictions up here, we're talking almost 1,000% return. Like that's more than that, dude. More than that. We'll have Jaco right now at 35. We'll have, if it gets up to $7, dude, he'll have almost a 1,900% return on his investment at that price. Mine's at 31. Mine's at 31 on average. I'm going to be well over 2,000% if it gets up to $7, dude. So my projection is $7. It's a 2,000% return, but I've waited 3 years for that. That's a 3-year sit and wait period right there, dude. So I mean, you can't ask for anything better than that. You know what I mean? Like that's crazy. Not a fan of Tariffs, but did they help crypto and XRP get to 589? I'm with you, Trent. What's up, Trent? Good to see you, buddy. I'm with you on that one, dude. My man Jaco's killing it. Yeah, he is. He's absolutely dropping bombs right now. I think he's up to like almost like $500 now in donations. Insane, dude. I respect what you say, but you always refer to XTN holders like we're holding something weird. No, I don't hold that. GT, I don't think you're holding anything weird, man. I'm excited for you guys. Honestly, I just focus on where my money's at, and it's just not an XCN. And so, you know, I think that you guys are doing well over there, and I'm happy for you, GT. I say that every time. You know what I mean? I'm not gonna knock you guys for going over there and holding a bag in XCN, dude, even though I have no idea really what it is or I've spent time looking at it because I just don't have money over there. But I'm happy you guys are making money, dude. Trust me. Like if you're winning in this space, that's a win for me, man. And I would support that 100%. Even if you're making money in Pepe, or you're making money. There's a lot of people who are making money in Toshi right now, which is a meme coin I'm not invested in. But I mean, if you're making that money, dude, I'm all for it, bro. Awesome. I heard the guys named Dave created teriyaki in Seattle. Damn, Jaco coming in hot, gifting 50 more memberships to the A team. If Jaco gifted you another membership, this would now make it 150 memberships on the day. Please say thank you to him. And those 50 new members, welcome to the A team. I think this might be a record for most memberships given. This might be a record for most donations given by one person. It is guaranteed 100%, dude. I think that you've just now gifted like a ton. And I appreciate that so much, Jaco. Honestly, I couldn't even, my words can't express how much that means to me in the A team here. I appreciate it a ton, dude. Wow. Wow. Filecoin's great, Connor. Filecoin, I like Filecoin. It's old school, but I like it. And I think it's good. Seeing a lot of tweets saying alt season's imminent. Like I said, I think altcoin season started November 5th, dude. I know that people don't want to say that because of Bitcoin dominance, all that kind of stuff. But I mean, all altcoins, the whole crypto market exploded on November 5th. And so I get that people want to say that we're going into altcoin season, but I mean, I think altcoins, we're going to be going into an altcoin season. I think that just crypto in general, we're going into another pretty good run. So that pattern's draining market makers, not messing around the cycle. 100%, dude. ADA's good, man. I think ADA's going to do just fine. I think it's just a slow mover. Always said that. Probably will always continue to say that. Nothing against it. It's just not as sexy as crypto as say like XRP is to me, or HBAR or XLM or even Chainlink. You know what I mean? There's just some other ones out there that even Sui, I'm more on board with than ADA. So, hey, Austin, as you know, RSD is getting on other exchanges. It's not a buy the room. I don't think it's a buy the room or sell the news. Seattle teriyaki is considered by some to be the city's signature food, like Chicago's hot dogs. That's interesting. Google and Austin ain't lying. You saw that? All right, Mike. All right. See, I wasn't lying. Yeah, teriyaki is like that's Seattle. That's Seattle zone right there, man. Can you? There we have a teriyaki joint on every corner, man. Just like Starbucks. Can you take a look at Sonic chart? I have no idea what that is, Abby. Sonic chart. I agree. There are some of the most hardworking people. Yeah, dude. Yeah, I would agree with that. I'm not, and I don't want to get into politics with the whole, deportations and stuff like that. There's positives and negatives to every side, dude. And just go if you have any doubt, just go watch. It's called "The Day in a Life Without the Mexicans." It's a documentary. It came out years and years ago. Just go watch that, and it's actually will open up your eyes as to what America will go through. Much appreciated for the membership. Yeah, that's awesome, Manny. Welcome. Martin, thanks so much for the $2, dude. Pike Place also has the oldest Starbucks. Yeah, it's packed. That Starbucks, Martin, is packed. It's a pack. You can't. It's like the line's probably an hour to get in almost every day, which is kind of crazy, right? That's kind of crazy. Yeah, it's pretty cool. They still actually hand press their coffee there. It's the only Starbucks that hand presses their coffee still. This has got to be the most tight-knit group on YouTube. You guys are all amazing. Oh, dude, Slackner, thanks so much, man. Yeah, it's 18's great, dude. The Discord's amazing. The streams are great. The people on here, everything we come here and talk about every day. And I think everyone's just super supportive of one another, and that's what a community is all about. So, regardless, I want everyone to win here. I'm not going to dog any crypto you guys are in, dude. If you want to go buy, anything, any meme coin out there, right? Even ones I don't know of or ones that I don't talk about. If you're in there and you're winning, dude, like that's all that matters, dude. Just because I'm not in there doesn't mean that it's not, it's not good. It's just where I don't put my money, right? And we all put our money in some places. Sorry, I got something on the screen right there. Paul, 1 month as a member, dude. You the man, Austin. Thanks, Jaco. Yeah, dude. You guys are. Appreciate your 1 month, man. We got a lot of people actually coming up on here 1 month. I think we're still at almost 2,300. Well, now after I think Jaco dropping these bombs right here, I think we're up to like, I can't remember how many members we are now. We were up, I think our max, I think our total was, if I go back and look, I think our max was roughly 3,500. I think it's where we were. It was like 3,500 total. Was our total. Yeah, right now we're at 2177. I think our max was something along those lines where it was like, I think it was like 3,500 or 2,500 people. Sorry, 2,500 people, which is crazy, dude. Absolutely crazy. So, which step I need to take to make profit on a hot wallet? To make profit from a hot wallet? What do you mean, Tico? When you say take profits from a hot wallet, just go to Uniswap or wherever you're at and just do it, dude. 60K to off 6K. Damn. Is that what you're making? 66K off of 60K? What are you talking about there, Kyle? I don't know what you're talking about. What's going on? What's going on, Vin? Young Scarface, what's going on? So let's actually dig into some of this. I was going to do there's probably some swing opportunities coming up here tonight. Let's actually look at some of the RSIs here. I haven't entered into a swing trade since this dip over here on Sunday the 26th. I haven't been following. I've been really busy all week. Crazy as it is, I've been super busy with just kids and everything like this, but this is now coming down. We're right here on the 1 hour on its way down right here. The 4 hour on HBAR. I'm looking at HBAR right now. Is probably looking like it's going to start trending down here. The 12 hour is actually trending upward, which can be a little bit derailing here. But the good thing is that the day chart is still at the bottom here. And I hope that this continues to sort of trend down, up and down right here. So that's something to watch out for. But I'm going to be trying to find an entry point. Again, probably have to wait a couple more hours to see where this is going to go, because I do think that we have a potential to trend downward a little bit more here. We seem to be coming down about halfway through this fair value gap around 33.301. It seems to be like where we're hitting when we come down here. So here on this day chart, we could come down and hit this again before we bounce back up. At least last time came down, we went all the way down to 29, but that's pretty far. Let's see what the 4 hours looking like. So yeah, we're probably coming down into like the 30 range here. Probably even towards like the 36. Almost like what we see right here. We could probably come down right below this one and hit this like 30.305 again. So I'm gonna have to monitor this, because the 4 hour is actually up. So if the 4 hour keeps coming down here in the next 4 hours, we'll probably have a better idea where we're going. So Discord is about to be a bunch more weirdos and degens thanks to sometimes it's fun, man. Sometimes you gotta have some fun over there, you know what I mean? I'm sick. I still feel like becoming the first zombie in one of those movies. Oh man, are you still sick? Dude. Kids are still sick, man. That Discord gonna be popping 300 new members. Yeah, dude. Just make sure those 300 new members get over there and get in the Discord, dude. 100% on that. Hey, Austin, can you let me know your thoughts on the next position for ADA? Yeah, we can look. I mean, right now it's probably right where you need to be. Yeah, I think they just dropped a fork, right? So I'm not even a black sweater day. It's not even a black sweater day. I know, dude. I got my gray on today. I got my gray on short sleeves. Is there a hierarchy between crypto YouTubers? Are you guys friends? Have your own Discord among yourselves? A lot of us, I would say that I wouldn't say we're friends. I mean, I don't really know a whole lot of them. You know what I mean? We don't even really talk at all. I used to, back in the day, we used to have a really close knit group of people that we hung out with all the time on crypto, but now it's not the same. So yeah, there's that as well. You know what I mean? And I tell you the truth, I don't even think I have I should probably go do this real quick, because I think that's why I'm having a hard time keeping up with the chat, is I didn't put subscriber mode on. So sorry guys, I'm gonna have to put subscriber mode on because I have a hard time keeping up with the chat as it is. So, and I think that's why I'm like, dude, why can I not keep up with the chat today? I've been trying really hard to keep up with the chat. And yeah, do you ever do pre-sales? Yeah, we got a pre-sale right now, dude. We got a pre-sale going on that I let the A team know about, and it's currently going on right now. If you guys want to, we can talk about it. If not, we can not talk about it. Yeah, so we do those kind of things. Cynical Joe, thanks so much for the $20, dude. Just started trading a few months ago. First buy was XRP, snatched it at 140. Still new, learning. Your commentary helps a lot. Glad I found you. Oh, Cynical Joe, dude. 140 is a great buy. I mean, dude, you're already up almost 100% you're over 100% on your bag. And that's fantastic, especially if you're new to crypto, to be up 100% on your bag over a few months ago. That's fantastic, dude. A lot of us, what's great about that, which I love about this comment, is a majority of us sat for 2 years, not even up roughly 20% on a bag. And so now when we're up 500-600%, like, a lot of us are excited about that, and it could turn some people off because we're super excited about it. And that's why we are people think like, oh, you're clickbaiting, oh, you're this. It's like, no, we sat for 2.5 years waiting for crypto to bounce back. And so now that it's back here, like, every day is exciting to us because we're up. And so I get where people can come off and be like, oh, this is hype. This is. It's like, well, we're hyped up because we're already up, 500-600%. But to be up 100% in a couple months is phenomenal. I think it's great, and I'm so happy for you, dude. So thank you so much for the $20 donation too. I really do appreciate that. The Pike Place Starbucks still has the original Starbucks logo with the naked lady. Yeah, it does. That's true. That is true, Liza. XRP to dip, acquire more. Juan, dude, thanks so much for gifting 5 memberships to the A team. If Juan gifted you a membership, please say thank you to Juan and those 5 new members. Welcome to the A team. Appreciate you a ton. Thank you so much, dude. I am a sub. Thanks whoever gifted me. Oh, Pat, welcome, dude. That's awesome. Hot dog in Seattle style, yeah. The Seattle style is pretty badass. Awesome. What's your thoughts on Swiftcoin? A lot of people have been making money off of it, dude. So I think it's good for crypto, man. If it keeps going up, it's been around for a long time. And I know a lot of people are here on it. Tim Shea, obviously the mayor of crypto, he's been talking about it for quite some time, and a lot of people have been doing well on it. So you can't knock that out. You know what I mean? We got Jake again coming in here hot with another $20 bomb. By the way, just to confirm, it's 10 by the end of March or before. Just want to confirm. Yeah, anytime it hits $10 and what was it? $10 and I have it right here, dude. I have the bet right here by March, right? So this by March, and you can see right here, $10.36. Revisit this by March. So the bet is $10.36 right there. Everyone see that here? Let me get Jaco's right there. $10.36 by March of 2025. So there, that is it right there, man. I got the screenshot in here. We got the receipts, bud. And I appreciate you a ton, man. This will be a fun one. It'll be fun, dude. And I hope it gets to 1036. I'm gonna be honest with you, dude. If it gets 1036, dude, I'll be even more excited about it. And that's where I'll be clapping. And yeah, it'll be super exciting, dude. And thanks again for the $20, man. You were killing it today, and I do appreciate that. I'm losing my shirt on profits because the spread that Coinbase and RH take. Any strategies to avoid this? Yeah, do your spot trading, Brian. Are you on the advanced spot trading? That's what you got to do. Go to spot trading. You'll pay smaller fees. Jaco coming in with another 50 bang. Gosh, dang, bro. Jaco was killing it today. Yeah, just want to let you guys know this stream today is actually sponsored by Jaco himself. Coming in with 50 more memberships. Thank you so much, man, for the 50 memberships there. Again, if Jaco gifted you a membership, please say thank you. And those 50 new members, welcome to the A team. All of you guys can actually now go join the Discord. So please go do so. I actually probably didn't even post it. I should probably do that real quick. I didn't even post it. So I'll post the Discord. You can actually go into my description box if you like to, and you can click on the Discord there. You have to be a member of the channel to be coming into Discord. So if you'd like that kind of stuff, and you like to be part of a community where we talk about crypto, talk about a bunch of other things, feel free to jump into the Discord. It's like I said, it's been great over there. Everyone's been super positive and a big support for everyone. So again, Jacob, thank you so much for the $50 bomb. Wow. Absolutely killing it, dude. I don't know what to say. Yeah. What's up, Ed? What's going on, dude? Let's go. Congrats, A team. Just some guy. What's up, man? Dang, dude. Yeah, there's a lot of people in here getting gifted. Sorry, Austin. I'm at work listening. Can you say the target price as well as the fib number? Oh, yeah. I was just looking at the target price right now. We're seeing the HBARs dropping below into it. Just actually hit the 3.304. Let's go to the 1 hour here. I was saying that this is probably going to come down to we're actually at the very bottom of the 0.65. We dropped now into the 0.65. We're in the past the golden pocket of the 0.618, past the 6.5, and now we're dipping down here. And like I said, I was saying that it seems like before, I mean, this came down here on Wednesday. We dipped down to the 29 area again. So we could probably fill somewhere in between. I'd probably put like an order in for like 30, probably like 0.301 for a nice little try for a swing trade there. And if it dips down, I probably have to buy some more. But I mean, yeah, probably 0.3, somewhere in this ballpark, probably 0.32, 0.303 maybe could be like a good little buy for a swing trade, a potential bounce back. The good thing is that you go back to here. I mean, there's nothing really. The only thing that's really kind of catching things up on the economy is the tariffs. Tariffs on Canada, Mexico, and China begin Saturday. So this is kind of like puts everyone on edge. So I can see how that could be an issue. But again, inflation's looking good. It's in line with expectations. I don't see the markets being too volatile because of that. I think we've actually kind of eased our way into these things. And so I could see, HBAR actually coming back, and you can see XRP's even dipping down. Anytime it actually gets here into this 382 level, we actually do pretty good. So, every time we get down to about the $3 mark, we bounce back pretty good. So I'll probably, if I want to put a swing trade in for XRP, I'd probably do anywhere around the $3 to the 295 marker for a nice little swing. Last time it hit the $3 marker, we actually bounced back up about 5%. So again, that would be a perfect swing trade. And it went up about 5% in roughly about, 24 hours. So could be a nice little return on a swing there as well. Cynical Joe, thanks for becoming a new member of the A team. I appreciate that. I thought you just were, but maybe I looked at it wrong. But thanks so much for becoming a member of the A team. Thank you. Thank you so much, dude. Walking into Costco headquarters office now, going to ask about this Bitcoin kiosks. Oh, snap. Michaela, do you work at Costco? That's badass. Martin coming in hot with a $20 donation, dude. On behalf of the A team, thank you for all you do for our community. I wake up every day instantly eager for the stream and your positivity. I learned so much from you already, and I'm grateful for being a part of the A team, dude. Thank you so much for the encouraging words on your behalf as well, and all the compliments that you guys give for me. Because I it's the reason I get up eagerly every day and stream every day, is for everyone else's positivity and to be here too. So as much as, you guys are here for me, I'm here for you. And I think that's what makes it so great. So, yeah, thanks so much for that donation, man. That's humbling words. Appreciate you guys a ton, man. Long time stock trader, having fun with the crypto community, making money. Dude, that's where it's at, dude. I was with you, Ultra MAGA Prepper. I'm with you on the same boat, dude. I was big into stock trading for the last 4 years before I got into here. So yeah. Right here, guys, still hasn't. Yeah, it's I gotta say, man, it's stocks is kind of boring. I got a membership gift receipt. Any at Atom or Cosmo fans? There probably is a lot of people here that like Cosmo for sure. Swift, good trading coin. Yeah, there's probably little, some good things to actually buy here. XRP is dipping pretty fast right now. Damn. The 1 hour is coming down pretty hot right now. The 4 hour on XRP is coming down. This is actually kind of good. So this is where I think the $3 marker could actually be a good buy. We almost actually hit it. $3 might be in the making here. 4 hours at the bottom here. Where's the 12 hour at? 12 hours coming up. We could actually be coming down on the 12 hour here. This could come down a little bit more. Days at the bottom. Obviously, we want the day. We want this to look something like this. Just to let you guys know. We kind of want this right here. Let me move Martin. Again, thank you so much for the donations, Martin and Jaco and everyone else. You kind of want this to look like this for the day chart. You see right here on the RSI where we kind of went up and down through here. We kind of want to start building that right here as well. So that's kind of what we want to see. And it looks like that's kind of what we're going to start doing here. So again, we have till roughly about February 13th to continue doing this. So I'm kind of on board with that. I want this to get down to about $3. I think I'm going to put an order in for about $3, and maybe we hit it, maybe we don't. But I think that's where I'm going to probably put a line for. We seem to bounce off of that $3 range and then come back up here to roughly anywhere between 316 and 308. So we keep hovering on this 236 line right here. So yeah, I think a $3 marker is actually pretty good. So. I like what level. Salute. Hey, Austin, what deal on Ripple unlocking 1 billion XRP on February 1st? Is this legit? Yeah, they unlock a lot, dude. So it's just a matter of what they, where they actually focus and put the money. Thanks for the membership. Oh, Cyber Ginger, welcome. I'm seeing a 322 by October. Financial advice. Yeah, Jaco is full of love today, dude. I appreciate that a ton. All you guys are full of it, man. Full of love. Couldn't be more happy with the A team. As a 50-something Gen Xer, I thoroughly enjoy this channel, patching holes in my retirement with crypto. Hell yeah, 1970 Buckley. That's awesome to hear. Do you have any info on XCN? I do not, but I know a lot of people here actually have a ton of info on XCN because there's a lot of people here that hold XCN. So YouTuber Jaco goes into debt. Intrigue, you're killing me, bro. No way, man. He's already killing it with his XRP, man. Hey, no problem. 808 memes. Why no pump today? Just cooling off from yesterday. I think a lot of it has to do with just like I said earlier. So here XRP is actually dropping down. So that I put my order in for $3. Hold on. Just a sec. While I put my put this in. $3 XRP coming in hot. Put a limit order in for $8 next time. I think I can hit to 40 cents. Yeah, you could. Not now. Okay. XRP, we're putting a fill order in, buy order in at $3. Actually, let me look at the depth chart real quick. Hold on before I do this. Let's see where the walls are. I might have to put it in for a little bit so I can get it filled. Oh man, is it sign me out? Damn, why did it sign me out already? Dang. Coinbase is on one today, man. I don't know why Coinbase be doing this. They kind of are annoying me lately. There we go. There we go. Making this like super hard to get into Coinbase. It's like, what the heck is going on? Oh gosh, dude, what is going on? Why does Coinbase be so difficult sometimes? Orders. All right, I'm putting it in for 3. So 290. It's coming down fast right now. Just to let you guys know, it's coming down super fast. XRP is coming down really hot. I'm gonna put it at 2. I'm gonna put it at 2. Try another way. It's coming down fast. Let's see. It's making me try another way. I gotta like log in. I gotta get a code, and I'm trying to find this depth chart before I do it because I think it's going to be before. I don't think if I put it before 3. I don't know. I think if I put it before 3, it's going to make it. Let's see here. XRP. Yeah, look at that $3 wall right there. 301. This is the perpetuals. Why does that look funny? I was like, gosh, dude, that is ridiculous looking. Spot. XRP, there we go. Gosh, I was like, yeah, look at that $3 wall right there. I might have to put it before. I might have to put it like 3.001. Yeah, 3.001. I think I'm gonna put it at. Got to be careful because sometimes if you put it at the 3 marker, you could put it at 292. If you want to put it at like 299, you can do that. But I mean, it could bounce off this and bounce back. But that's a pretty big wall to get through right here. Yeah, it's already bouncing back to 302 right now. It's definitely going to hit some resistance right here. But there's going to be a nice little swing back right here. You can see here on XRP. I mean, if you got this at 301 right now, we have an opportunity to at least bounce back to the back up here to about the 313 marker, which is where a lot of support's at. So, I mean, even if you get down here, you're talking anywhere from a 4 to 5% return. Yeah, I'm still going to put it at like $3. Just if it comes back down, we're going to put it at $3. We're going to put it at 3.0. Oops. 3.009. 3.009 is where I'm going to put it. I'm going to put 10,000 in. We're going to buy roughly 3,315. Review. And again, if it goes down below that, I'll probably DCA into another position with it, knowing that this level is actually pretty strong for XRP right now. So it will be interesting to sort of see how this plays out. But you're right, there is risk involved here because, as you guys know, there is going to be some unlockings coming up here. So there is some risk. Could be a buy the rumor, sell the news thing. So just be aware of that as well. Sammy, thanks so much for the donation to the channel. Dude, just came in. Any updates? XRPX? We're just looking. I mean, right now the markets are just. I mean, they're reacting to the tariffs and everything like that. So you got to be very careful. It could be volatile this weekend. Friday, Saturdays could be a little volatile. We could have some ups and downs, but just be careful of that. So yeah, Jaco, thanks so much again for the $10, dude. Forgot to ask, when do you see XRP in 24 hours? I think that obviously we're in a nice little dip right here, but I think we're actually sitting pretty strong here. This 10-day moving average is right here at $3.07. And I think that that's kind of where our average is. We have a nice little, this right here on the 236 area, which is where the 10-day moving average is at, is actually a pretty strong level, which you can see over the last, we can actually move to the day chart here. We've touched this level multiple times. We touched it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Almost every single day we've touched this level, except maybe like 2 or 3 days. So this 236 level is actually a really strong level right now. And so I think if you can actually get in on this, like if it does go down to $3 or below, like I think you got a really good price, because we've only hit below that a couple times. 1, 2, 3, 4 times in the last, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 days. We've only hit it 3 times below 3 and bounced right back up. So, I mean, it's a pretty good odd. Like I said, it could go further, right? We could have another event where it goes down to here, but I mean, you know, that's kind of an anomaly. I mean, that's an anomaly of a wick right there. That's not a very common wick. So yeah, maybe it gets down to 297, which is where this is at. Maybe down to 291. So even if you bought at 3, you might have to DCA into a position or hold out. But if I buy at 3, I'm going to anticipate that I'll be buying the dip if I have to DCA in. So yeah, I'm going to consider that as my option. So I'm putting an order in right now for it. Hopefully that we bounce back. So there we go. Order is in for at $3 3.0090 for $10,000. So we'll see what happens here. And I have $10,000 on the side for a DCA and opportunity. So again, thank you so much, Jaco. You can see, like I said, based off that, we have the 12-hour that's coming down here. So this 12-hour could actually come down here, and this 12-hour could actually bounce. Our next 12-hour is going to be around 1600, so it's about 4 o'clock. So again, we could come bounce off this, something like we saw right here, and bounce back up. There's a lot of things that we can do on the 12-hour here. Again, it had to have a massive sell-off to come down here, which could happen. Again, prepare for it. Prepare for it. If you're going to buy in these swings, you got to prepare for that as well. Apparently, more tariffs news dumping the market. Just ridiculous manipulation. Yeah, that very well could be. Robinhood's treated me better than Coinbase. Okay, hey man, stay with that Coinbase. Darius, we got $5 donation. Just put 1,800 XRP and HBAR each, like 8 hours. I can't put more money until midnight. I hope that the price stays the same or it will go down. I think we're gonna have a nice little. We'll have a nice little. This will be a nice little, like I said, I think there's some good swing trades coming in here for a lot of these, even HBAR. HBAR is going to have some nice swing trades coming in here as well. We're going to be able to set ourselves up now that we see a trend here. We're kind of starting to build a line right here over the last almost 4 days right here at this anywhere from the just above the 618 to right below the 65. I mean, we're going to create a nice little trend line right here where we'll make some good money off these swings. So. Do you think 285 is possible today? It could happen, dude. And if it does, I'll put another order in. If it drops below 3 into like the 295, then I'll probably put another order in for right around probably 290, 280, somewhere in that ballpark, depending on where it's at. So, hey, Austin, I have a question about crypto. Has anyone ever been so far as to even consider to want to go to do, what does that say? Been so far as to even consider to want to do look more like what do we, I don't know what we're saying there. Open, sorry, someone trying to scoop up liquidation at 299. Yeah, that's kind of where it's at, right? At 299. But yeah, we're at 3015. I mean, dude, we're coming down. It's coming down right now. Let's go to the 1 hour. I might hit my order and we might have a nice little bounce back here, which would be nice, right? $3 is where I'm at. So I don't want the trend line. Sorry, I don't want trend line. I want horizontal line. 309. Let's do right there. So yeah, we're about like right there. Might have to move this up just a tad bit. There, that's where I'm at. So we'll see if this hits. If it doesn't hit, it doesn't hit. You know, that's the chance. But that's a pretty good dip into the 382 level right now. So. Have anyone known anyone has won free crypto? Yeah, all the time. People win all the crypto all the time. People get donated all the time. 290 is key. Yeah, you can see right here we have the good thing is that right up here at 311, there's a lot of volume right here. We could zoom out and look at the 4 hour as well. And 4 hour could probably change your tone just a little bit on where things are, but still right around this like 309 level is a big level of resistance right here. So again, I think playing up into this level is good. And I think that, yeah, down here, you have one fair value gap down here at 286. So that could hit, but I'll split the difference here. So $3, and then we can split the difference between the fair value gap and this will be like 290 would be the next purchase order if it were for a DCA opportunity. But you can see right now the 4 hours coming down here will probably hit the bottom here. And we could bounce around here for a little bit. So hopefully we continue downward and then we hit this $3 mark and, move on up. Can you put an unlock schedule? Have any of you known anyone who has won free crypto from Coinbase? I have not won free crypto from Coinbase. Am I safe to at a 2.96 or sell and buy lower? It's tough to say, man. Might make the markets a little bit. Feeling cute might make the market move a little bit. Austin, am I safe at 2.96 or sell and buy? It's tough. It's tough to say. Cougar Whale, dude, thanks so much for the 5 gifted memberships. Appreciate that a ton. If Cougar Whale gifted you a membership, please say thank you. And those 5 new members, welcome to the A-team. Appreciate all you guys being here today. Everything dipping hard. Yeah, things are coming down hard. These are good swing opportunities right now. XRP back to 303. So you can see that there's definitely some momentum going right now. Where did my depth chart go? There's definitely some momentum going right here. You can definitely see this buy wall right here at 30001. I'm at 9, so I'm like I'm somewhere in this ballpark right here. So I'll definitely, because again, what we don't want is to be at 3 and then you don't get your order filled, knowing that that's a pretty big buy wall right there. Next big buy wall is 290, then 285. So you can see these are some pretty big buy walls right here. So it'd be interesting to sort of see how this plays out. But again, I still think that we're basing things off of how core inflation looks right now. I think a lot of people with the tariffs are kind of scaring people, but yeah. He has Android though. He's able to 2-factor authentication. Oh man, they've been kicking him off too. Liza, that's crazy. Hello, Austin. I'm a loyal follower and I have a question about crypto. Is it true that you're naked from the waist down? No, I'm not. I got shorts on, dude. I got shorts on right now. Comfortable in my nice little shorts. Cougar Well, thanks so much for the $2 dude. Feeling cutie, gifting subs. Might find a new pool boy. Oh, don't tell Linda that. Don't tell Linda. Mr. Spiffy Austin Day. What's up? What's going on, dude? Parker, what's up, dude? What's up? Man, this feels just like a $2 day before January. I'm looking at 280. Looking at 280? Okay. And if it hits 280, we'll be here for it, dude. I'm here for that. 280 would put us down about right here, which this is not a bad little level right here. I mean, we'll see. We'll see. HBAR coming back down to 3.0. There's going to be a nice little bounce back right here. You can see these levels that are creating right here. Look at this trend up. Then we come down right below. We come down below right around the 30 marker again. And then we come up and then we come down right below almost to the 30 marker again. So this will probably come down just a little bit more. And then boom, we're going to come up and then we're going to come down. Hopefully that's kind of the trajectory we want to go. So what do you think about the new XRP news? Can we buy in Coinbase? You could buy. You can't leverage. No, you can't leverage Coinbase with XRP. When will you hear something about the XRP lawsuit? Hopefully here soon, dude. I mean, we saw April 7th, I guess, is the next big date. April 7th for me is the next big date. What's happening in the market? I think that just people are trying to price in the tariffs right now. Trump tariffs on Canada, Mexico begin on Saturday. So White House just came out and said this. So an apparent ending of the week of intense speculation, the White House confirmed Friday that President Trump will be leveling aggressive tariffs this weekend to major U.S. trading partners. So obviously this is going to have some fluctuation in the markets, crypto markets, stock market, you name it, dude. Like this is going to be out there for a lot of people. You know what I mean? So just be prepared for that. Be prepared for a downturn in the market because of this. So tomorrow could actually be a bigger day and it could be a downturn. So just prepare for it. If you're investing in the markets, realize that there's some negativity in the markets. There's some fear, uncertainty, and doubt that are there. What apps do you use to trade? I use a lot of apps to trade. Coinbase, I use SafePal, MetaMask, all that kind of stuff. Market is I'm gonna sell my car this weekend and buy more. Markets don't like tariffs. I don't think so. Austin, do we know who Cougar Whale is? They seem just randomly join the chat and Discord and then leave. I don't know. I mean, who knows, dude? It's probably I don't know. Someone. I don't know. If Linda was here, she would know. There's my drink and my outfit I bought for you. I just woke up. Why the price is dumping? This right here. I think a lot of it has to do with the tariffs. The tariffs that are coming out here. Big payday weekend, federal and private, good entry weekend. Could be, yeah. I'm getting the hang out on this. Leverage trades seems scary. Leverage trades are scary, dude. Prove it. What are you talking about, Billion? Right? When you say prove what? He's naked under his shorts. Yeah, I'm 100% naked under my shorts for sure. It's bounced from 279 to 317. Yeah, it's a good bounce when you think about it like that. 302. We'll see if my number hits. It probably will. I mean, I guess I feel kind of confident that's probably a pretty easy number to hit. It's either going to come back or pull up XRP down, or it could meet in the middle. Yeah, the 200-day moving average right now is sitting at roughly. We're sitting at roughly 280 right now. Which again, this is good. You want this to continue to come up, right? I mean, we want these averages to move up. So again, if this average can actually come up here at the bottom of the 382, I think we're setting ourselves up good. And this could very well happen. We have, like I said, our measurement out here is on February 13th, Thursday of February 13th. I think we're actually going to continue to rise this up, and it's going to continue to sort of come and sort of flatten out. And by that time, we're going to be right here. The 200 moving average is going to be right at the 382 level. Hopefully maybe even above the 382 level by the time we actually turn upward. So we want these things to level out, and they eventually get closer and closer to boom up. Prove you're wearing shorts. Don't believe you. You don't believe I'm wearing shorts, dude? Like I'm wearing shorts. See, here you go. Oh, here, I'll move my mark. There you go. I'm even matching my shorts, dude. I'm wearing like a whole matching outfit today, dude. I got like the whole matching thing going on here with my shorts. I got scammed with investment on Trump Dog. Dude, that sounds like a scam. Hopefully you get your money back. Lawsuit is gone. It's not listed anywhere on the website. It's listed on the appeal side. I do like and appreciate the optimism, bro. Try to, glad instance. Try to. So it looks like XRP is already back up on the rise. Sitting here about 304 for XRP. So already back up on the rise here. Let's see what it say. SafePal keeps giving me updates, kind of annoying me. Are you using leverage on your screen? No, I just straight spot trade, Eli. Straight spot trade. I don't do leverage. I was trying to swap my 10K of SHIB to HBAR and Meta, but couldn't find it in MetaMask. I also couldn't. Yeah, HBAR is not in MetaMask. Forsaken. Tokilla, thanks so much for the $5, dude. Can you do a dual live with Cougar? I would love to hear her insight. I don't even think that person's actually even talked. How do we know it's a her? Or is it a him? Do we even know? Is it another Dave situation with Linda? All I know is that it's a new account that I've never seen before like in the last month. That's all I know. Viet, we'd love to see you do a live. How do tariffs affect the price of crypto? It doesn't necessarily like immediately or directly impact the price. I just think that it's just like any other market. It's just like any other market that's out there. Is that if there's negative news or there's negative pressure, it's going to affect the market. It's just like the stock market. So I don't know if it has a direct impact, but I mean, tariffs could actually be positive, right? I mean, people are going to, instead of using the dollar or getting around tariffs, they're going to use crypto for it. So. Austin, that I'm wearing shorts. We got the heat out. It's like freezing outside. It's 7 degrees in the house. How do you view the XRP sell buy wall on Coinbase? I mean, I just view it as entry and exit points. Dude, it's funny how SafePal has like instituted a they give you like price updates, price alerts, and it's super annoying. Let's go here. And they send you like updates like constantly in your wallets, dude. It's frustrating actually. Where the hell do I turn it off? I got to figure out how to turn that off because that is super annoying. Like, I don't want your every 5 seconds you just send me an update. Cougar Wells, Dave. A lot of options are closing today, last day of the month. That's true. There is a lot of options closing today. People are going to get wrecked at some point. Austin will forget to turn the stream off at the end and stand up, and we'll finally be able to make sure. I did forget to turn the stream off the other day. Do you keep your main trading funds in your SafePal wallet? I keep it in. My main trading funds are are in Coinbase, dude, where I do swings. You using Coinbase? Can you teach me how to put orders to take a profit, stop losses? Yeah, dude, it's actually pretty easy, bro. Right over here, you have your stop price, you have your limit price. So like whatever you're selling over here, you're going to put a stop price of wherever you want to sell. And then you put a limit price in here below the stop price so that in case the stop price isn't hit, you have a limit price. And then you say how much you want it. And then you say good till canceled. You want to go in cash. You could use USDC or CAT, whatever you want. I do cash. It's actually a lot easier. Just do it with a small amount and you'll get a good feel for it. Austin's OnlyFans soon. Dude, hell no. Austin, you don't have to prove anything to anyone. True, I don't. It's still funny though. Austin swagging it today. Plot twist: Cougar whales a male. Cougar's not. You guys are wild, dude. Austin, are you open to sharing your most profitable year has been income wise from trading alone with your strategy? If not, all good. Well, you got to think my first time jumping into crypto. My first time jumping into crypto was back. I jumped into it way before, like in 2018, buying like small things here and there. I wasn't really into it a whole lot. And then it wasn't until like 2020, 21 where I really got entrenched into it. And yeah, I mean, as much as I made a lot of profits, I took losses too in my first couple of years, trading crypto. I mean, I made a ton of money off of Shiba Inu. I made a ton of money off of other stupid plays. And then through the bear market, it's just kind of was flat. I took some losses too. But yeah, it's kind of, again, you don't want to come out here and, you get a lot of people out here that are like, oh, self-made millionaire. Oh, self-made, made all this money off crypto. I'm a crypto, savant, and I know all this kind of stuff. Like, that's just not me. So I don't like to like really come out and talk about like what my bags are or like the profits. I just know I like it. I enjoy it. I have fun doing it, and it keeps me here every day. And yeah, so I think the people that's just not my style of bragging where my bags are. I'll tell you guys what I make and how much I'm doing and things like that, but I don't know. Guess I don't want to be like, I don't want to say that kind of stuff. You know what I mean? But I will tell you guys I'm buying a $10,000 bag here. I bought this or I bought that much. I will say that. But as far as how much bags go or how much I make, I don't know if people want to hear that kind of stuff. How long do ETFs take to get approved? It could take months. And I also don't think you need to tell people how much you make to like, solidify yourself in a space, which I think a lot of people think that they need to do that for some reason. I don't know if that's an ego boost or what, but yeah, that's not my style, man. When you think HBAR will reach $2? I'm hoping sometime this year, dude, for sure. CoinGecko does that also. Somebody knows. Yeah, it does. Come on, let's hit this $3. No, he's probably wearing briefs. I am wearing briefs. Austin, tell people to like the video real quick. Hey everyone, please hit that like button on the video. I think we only have. I'm showing that we only have about 8 likes. I'm showing that we have 8 likes. Look at this, guys. We have 8 likes. Look at that, 8 likes. Oh my gosh. I'm just kidding with you guys. You can like it. If you don't, it's all good too. Appreciate you guys. This is kind of crazy right here. Coinbase prepares to list at least 80 new tokens in H1 of 2025. Dude, 80 new tokens. This is when you know that the exchanges are going to make a ton of money, dude. So this is why I think exchanges are going to list anything and everything. Now that Trump coin has come out and listed, like, we know that the SEC is not going to come after meme coins. We know that the SEC is probably not going to go after centralized exchanges. We know that the SEC is probably going to lower their expectations on a lot of crypto. Trump proved that by creating Trump coin and Melania and all this kind of stuff. And now coming out here and creating, this crypto right here, World Liberty Financial, and allowing this all to happen. So now we open up the door to this kind of stuff right here. The exchanges make a ton of money off of token listings. They make a ton of money off of meme coins and all these kind of things. And so now this opens up the door where Coinbase is going to start probably listing a lot more cryptos than we've ever seen before. And this is going to be very, very interesting right here. And it said right here, Coinbase hasn't listed Tron, BNB, Toncoin, Hype, which is Hyperliquid, Mantra, Caspa, and a lot of others. They definitely are not going to be listing Tron. That's not going to happen. They'll probably never do that because of Justin Sun. They could list BNB, which I think is be good, but they're obviously competing with Binance. That's Binance's crypto right there. I'm surprised they haven't actually listed Toncoin, but again, Toncoin, if you go back and actually look at it, there's definitely some things behind it. But teach our own. Caspo would be great, and some of the other ones. But I think we're going to actually open up the door to be listing a ton of these here in the future. They're talking about 50 to 80 new token listings. Is insane, dude. That's insane to think. I don't care if Austin's wearing pants or not, but he would dial down those blue eyes on his thumbnails. Makes me feel kind of. I'm trying to show you my beautiful hazel eyes. Gosh, all right, I'll tone them down. Viet, thanks so much for the 25. I don't even know what that is. I think that has to be what is that? I don't know what that is in terms of that must be Thai. I don't know what that is. But thanks so much, man. When will ASMR fan be a special guest on the stream? Probably never, dude. Fan is like behind the door. You'll only probably hear her voice in Telegram. Beware of the crypto trading selling alpha on OnlyFans. Do you think it's possible in crypto that if someone to move and consider that I'm gonna somehow move and consider that I'm going to what, where, why? What open mindset? What are you saying? Bro, tell us how if we are dumping. Well, we're definitely going down. I don't know how far. I mean, this could be a light little. We could have a nice little light retracement on this. I made money off stupid shit. Yeah, I actually made good money off Dogecoin too. Dogecoin was really good too. Yeah, just be a good person. I'm with you, man. I think being a good person is important, dude. That I agree. Heck yeah, I get my briefs from Costco, dude. Those are the best ones, man. Hanes. Glad there's a lot of buy pressure under 100K. Yeah, I'm with you, dude. That's TMI, Austin. My bad. Trump dance and you'll get more likes. I like I'm more invested in HBAR than XLM. Not that I just like HBAR a little bit better in terms of just where I'm at with position wise. The meme coins they should be targeting, not legit utility coins like XRP. The meme coins make a lot of money for them, dude. Yeah, I need to get my account verified. For some reason, I'll try to verify it today. I don't indeed 90K, but 92K Bitcoin. Yeah, Bitcoin would be nice. Who's calling me? Dun, dun, dun. Oops. Just a sec. All right. Let's see here. Hey, all. Glad to be here 1 week now. Look forward to a daily. Heck yeah. Yo mama friend. 1 week in, dude. That's pretty cool, dude. 1 week in. Listing 80 new coins making Coinbase go up. Yeah, dude. Their stock will go up for sure, dude. There'll be a lot more money coming in. That's Norwegian krone. Okay. I did not know that, bro. I should probably know that, but I did not know that. Apparently, they're going to use Toshi as their platform. Dude. How low will BTC drop? What do you think? Good question. A lot of estrogen in the room. Eat more red meat. Does anybody know why XRP is dropping? It's a good question. Austin, my girl loves fans ASMR. I'm hearing all the time. You guys are crazy, dude. Is ACH still running? Good question, dude. I don't know if ACH is still running or not. You guys still in ACH? A lot of people here are in ACH. I already showed my where I that was my like old school buys. ACH was like old school, down about 6.5% over the last day. Still up 115% over the last 7 days. You can't be upset about that. We'll go to the XCN. We got like XCN people in the house here. I'll do it for showing some love on a Friday here. XCN's down about a 1.7% over the last day. Still up 40% over the last 7 days. That's pretty damn good. And up 1,353 over the last month, dude. So kudos to anyone that got into this bad boy. Give you that. I'll give you that. That's some good stuff right there. Is this a fake dump? It could be. There could be some manipulation involved in this. 100%. I wouldn't doubt it. I mean, if my order gets filled at for XRP, at this $3 mark, that'd be nice, but we'll see. My girlfriend buys me the underwear with the pouch. Oh my gosh, dude. Do you notice that pattern? Every time ETH goes up, XRP goes. Well, people are probably moving their money from one to the other, but I mean, XRP. It's actually should be the other way around. It's when Bitcoin goes, the dominance goes up or down, then the other one should as well. So yeah, it's kind of that. My dreams got crushed so fast. Charles, thanks so much for the £5, dude. Tima is pumping and gone up about 100% within the last 24 hours. Damn, bro. Get ready to blast off. That sounds like you guys are already blasting off. You're up 100%, dude. Thanks so much for the donation to the channel. Appreciate that a ton, dude. That's fantastic, man. Tether's officially delisted from crypto.com. I guess anybody able to verify that? I think that they said that I think that they said by today, right? January 31st, it was going to be taken off. So Coinbase and there, but someone said that that wasn't true. You think a 287 sell-off's coming? It's always price manipulation. Austin might as well be wearing. You guys are getting wild. You guys are getting crazy now. XCN, yeah, XCN's done good, man. Do you send friend requests on Discord? I do not. Anyone giving you a friend request on Discord or sending you messages is definitely not me. So please be careful. A lot of scammers out there. So yeah. Crypto Pimp, what's up, dude? Swift, yeah, Swift doing good. Anyone in Evernode or just me? Yeah. Yeah. Oh wow, we got Ripper. I can't ever say this name. Ripperino, thanks so much for becoming a member of the A team. You're officially now a member of the channel. Thank you all so much here. And you got the the Riot. What is that? The who is it's the Riot guy. What is his name? I can't think of his name, but he's the one that was calling out XRP. No pants, no stream with pants. I know, dude. Speaking of scammers, I have another long list of user IDs to send a fan. That's crazy. I appreciate your membership, dude. Thank you so much. Welcome to the A team. You're officially now a part of the A team. Welcome, my friend. Welcome. Should I sell everything in the bull run, then buy back later? That's the goal, Austin, is to sell in the bull run, buy back later. Yes. Austin, yeah, I definitely did not send a friend request, so be careful with that. So we got the Coinbase here. That one's good. There's another thing here. I talked about DeepSeek. This right here, privacy concerns raise international alarm bells. Yeah, so be careful of DeepSeek. Don't be downloading that to your phone, please. As you can see right here, people are asking, why are we dipping? And a lot of it has to do with, we had massive shares of BlackRock that sold, and then they came back and they bought some more. So it says BlackRock now holds an unheard 60 billion worth of Bitcoin across its iShares Bitcoin iTrust. So as you guys know, this continues to rise. But again, anytime Bitcoin seems to dip, it's because of sells by BlackRock. Anytime Bitcoin seems to rise, it's because of major buys by the ETFs that are out there for Bitcoin. So realize the manipulation is strong when it comes to these ETFs. So please be aware of that kind of stuff. All right. Keep following these guys if you can. BlackRock obviously controls the markets a ton. So always be aware of that kind of stuff. Confirmed all banks of Japan will adopt XRP. You think so? Shannon, the #1 A-teamer, longest A-teamer. I was just looking at members again today, and I saw that. I always look at that one, dude. You're like 20. You're up there as number at the top. So I appreciate you a ton. As I think it'll always stick in my mind. But again, thank you so much, man. $20 donation to the channel. As always, man. I appreciate the hell out of you, dude. Thank you very much. Well, considering the co-founder of Ledger was just kidnapped, that wasn't actually true. That got debunked. Are we going to sell high after February and then reinvest in March? That's kind of the goal, Landon. It'll probably sell in March. You'll probably sell in March. February into March will probably be the run, and then you'll try to sell your swings and to buy the dip in March. That's kind of my plan, is to do that. So how can I get verified? I got my YouTube link to Discord just now, but I'm already joined up, jumping on the A-team. Yeah, dude. So you got to actually go into Discord, and you'll go up here where it says, it'll say start here, be safe, rules. You'll go to rules right here. You'll go down, you'll click the rules, and then you'll go to choose, and you'll click on these emojis to get you in the different access of the different rooms. So once you do that, that's all you got to do, and you're ready to rock and roll, dude. Do you short crypto, bro? No, not really. The only time you're going to really short crypto, or at least where I feel that you need to short crypto, is probably in the bear market. Everything else I'm kind of long on. Of course, dude, best channel. Shannon, as always, man, appreciate you, dude. I short every new listing. Yeah, I mean, yeah, if you're going to go on like MEXC and they got all those meme coins out there, definitely. Still, let's see, still waiting for 225 here. Caesar. Me too, dude. Me too. I'm still waiting for 225. I love it. That's awesome. I got in before all is going on. I'm gonna just chill and wait. Yeah, you could do that too. Hey, waiting and accumulating is not a bad deal either, right? Hey, bud, what's the fastest way to get money from Robinhood to Coinbase? I have no idea, dude. You probably have to sell. You probably have to sell and move it over. I caught up to the chat. I did, John. I finally caught up to the chat. Hey, bud, what's the fastest? Yeah, that's the fastest way to do it. Loving my big old bags XRP. Yeah, me too, dude. Yeah, I short everything on MEXC. Exactly. That's the only way to do it, right? Is to just go over there and short all the ones coming on MEXC. No, I do not have the 225 buy order in Martin. I moved up to 255 actually. Because I had to get rid of the 225 to be able to buy my to free up the cash to buy my HBAR. So I had that buy order in, but I wanted to buy my HBAR at the level I bought it at. So I relinquished that fill order to buy the next one. So how long are you gonna hold that 3 buck till it hits? Probably till it hits. We'll see how the market reacts. You're right. I mean, I'll probably sit here for the day and see where it goes. And if the markets continue to move upward, I'll probably pull out. I'll probably wait to find something else. Like I said, if it's not meant to be, it's not meant to be. So I'm not going to force it. You know what I mean? It's important not to force your trade. You'll lose if you try to keep forcing the trade. Noob to crypto. I've been in for a while, but never focused on it. I have over 6K XRP. Dude, that's good at 90 cents. Should I profit and convert to something else? I mean, that's up to you. I think you're in a really good position right now. So if you think that XRP is going to continue to rise, I wouldn't. But if you think it's done and feel that you can make money somewhere else, then feel free to do that. My wife's boyfriend put me on XRP. Nice. A bag so heavy, I'm going to need a rocket ship. Just bought 22,000 in the dip. Damn, bro. Of XRP. That means you put in like what? Freaking 50K. Yeah, dude, you put in like, what is that? Freaking, you put in a shit ton. Like 30,000. Thanks for all the info. Yeah, dude, I love it too. Do you play and sell on certain fib levels? Yeah, I try to, Kevin. We know that right now the sell is I usually do a trail. So I'll usually trail my my short or my limits, my stop losses. I do a trailing stop loss. So in case it does go up, I just keep trailing it. So, but you can see right here, I mean, it's probably going to hit some resistance here at the 313. So even if you bought here, down here at that 301 mark, I mean, and it keeps going back up. I mean, we'll probably come back up here and hit this level at 313. That's kind of seems to be the level. So yeah, I'll probably do a trailing on that one. Yeah, damn, that joke went over everyone's head. His wife's boyfriend told him about XRP. His wife's boyfriend. Oh, stupid. Yeah, that went way over my head. My wife's boyfriend put me. Yeah, dude, that's funny, man. Did you plan to sell XRP at peak in the potential March rebuy? Not that. I won't sell it there. I don't think that's gonna be the peak. The peak's probably gonna be. I tell you the truth, I don't know when the peak's gonna be. We're thinking August, somewhere in that ballpark, maybe. My wife's boyfriend's pretty cool. Dude, that's funny. That is funny right there. Still going over my head. Still going over heads, yeah. At first, when I read it, I mean, I didn't read it like that. Hit 30.4, got my HBAR. You got me addicted to HBAR. I'm with you, dude. HBAR's got me addicted too, bro. Super cool. Super cool. Toxic tape. I love if I had 7 months to keep accumulating. Yeah, I mean, that 7-month mark's kind of tough. That's what these people wives are saying me billing, right? Jeez. But do you guys only trade or do you keep any holds? A lot of us hold. I think majority of us probably hold. Like I said, my strategy here is you have a long-term bag, you hold the long-term bag, you day trade, and that's kind of how you work it through. HBAR's like cowbells, you need more and more. That's such a good skit, dude, the cowbell skit. So someone did ask me earlier about the pre-sale. So I am doing there is a pre-sale that I'm in on right now. I definitely bought some, and I'll probably be buying some more here on Sunday. I'll probably buying a pretty good bag on Sunday. Just to let everyone know. I'm probably gonna sell off some of my ETH to buy some of it, or just move it over, not sell it, but move it over into it. It is the PureWallet pre-sale is the one. Just to answer the question, that was a long time ago. I totally forgot to bring that up. I said I was going to. So that's the pre-sale that we're in. Which pre-sale? We're in it's the PureWallet. It's a PureWallet token. PureWallet.ai. It's this one right here. It's a pre-sale. It's gone up. So this went up. It was originally 4 cents. Now it's 4.31. So this will continue to rise. It is a pre-sale out there, and yeah, a lot of the A team actually jumped in on this one. So her boyfriend went back up. Austin, it could be. I have a limit order at HBAR at 296. Okay, yeah. So if you're interested in it, I'll post this in the chat. If it's something you guys, again, everything's a risk. You gotta take everything with a risk there. So, but it's at PureWallet.ai. This is a cold wallet, offline, and a hot wallet all built in one. So definitely check it out. Do your research on it. And like I said, on Sunday. I'll probably be buying some more of this before this 2-day turns over. So, how do I get into the pre-sale? You got to have a non-custodial wallet. So you got to download like a MetaMask or like a SafePal wallet and move ETH over into that wallet, into like a MetaMask or a SafePal. Then you come over here and just connect your wallet. So you just go over here, connect wallet. Let's connect our MetaMask. And you can see I've already bought some right there. I bought 11,583 on the pre-sale. So these will get airdropped when the token launches. It'll get airdropped to your wallet, to the wallet that you used, like a MetaMask wallet or whatever it is. It'll get airdropped to your wallet. So it makes it pretty easy, not to go scrambling to try to find it go find the contract on Uniswap or anything like that. I'm gonna start to believe XRP won't be. Yeah. Nah, I just buy and sell every 5 seconds. How many XRP do you own, bro? I own a lot. I own a decent amount. I own a comfortable amount. So, but yeah, pre-sales. I mean, if you're new to crypto, they have pluses and minuses. I mean, pre-sale, obviously, if you're new, it's easy to get in. You don't have to worry about finding, copying a contract, buying it on a decentralized side. Plus, if you're never bought on a decentralized side, like bought it on Uniswap or a coin, those can always get hard, right? Especially if you're new to crypto. Austin, I hear that there are a lot of fake websites of these hot wallets. Can you put the link to the correct site? Yeah, dude. Like SafePal, like MetaMask is just go to your extension, or you can go onto your phone and just type in MetaMask, dude. Like, just go to metamask.io. And this is the original one right here. So you can actually go and you can get this on your phone. I mean, it's one of the, you just type in MetaMask like on your phone, like in Google or in the App Store. And MetaMask is like the number one that'll pop up, and or SafePal. SafePal is another one too here. SafePal wallet's really good too. I use SafePal and MetaMask, but if you're new to crypto, SafePal is the easiest one to get here. And I'll put it right here. I'll put this link down below as well. You can actually click on this and it takes you to the App Store for SafePal. SafePal is, I think, the easiest one to use, and it's really easy to load, especially if you're new. Austin, do we need to add contract to the wallet? You will once it launches, Seiko. Yeah, it shouldn't have to. With SafePal, it just shows up in your wallet. Usually, it shows up in your wallet. If you're like a MetaMask, you probably will have to put in the contract address. So yeah, MetaMask is pretty good about adding anything to your wallet. And I think actually, tell you the truth, I think Coinbase is pretty good about, MetaMask is pretty good about that now too. You can go down here and you can say, whatever the wallet is, like let's just go to any of these wallets. It actually asks you to import the tokens that are there so you can see them all if you chose to. So they've gotten a little better about that kind of stuff. But yeah, YouTube has a ton of videos that show you how to do stop losses. Yeah, there's a ton out there. What do you think about Coinbase? I love Coinbase. I mean, they have their anythings. A company called Best Crypto Wallet. No, the Best Crypto Wallet is that's another wallet out there, but it's just another software wallet. Like they're just going to compete with like Trust Wallet. There's I looked at the best wallet, and they have nothing. There's no other feature other than there's nothing unique about it, unfortunately. Like I said, nothing against them. Like they're creating a software wallet. Like kudos to Best Wallet. I hope that they do really, really well as a project. the cool part about PureWallet is that they're bringing, you know, patented technology that's not in the space. So that's the kind of part that I dig the most about it, is that it's a cold storage, which I think is badass on your phone. It's an offline token, so you can send things in an offline setting, which again, if you're decentralized, like that's huge. And then it's a hot wallet, so it does all three things, and there's no other wallet out there like that. So that's why I kind of dig it. Did you buy NVIDIA token during its pre-sale? I did not. I did not. I got a small amount in that. All right, yeah, that's awesome, dude. So there's that. So someone asked me about that, so there it is. And we've talked about this a lot over in the Discord. So like I said, I'll probably be on Sunday. I'll probably free up some ETH. I'll probably put in a decent amount on Sunday. Just like I said, I kind of dig the decentralized side of it. You know, you guys know that I worked on it a little bit. So yeah, Coinbase wallet safe. I'm not a big Coinbase wallet fan, dude. I'm gonna be honest with you. I think it's kind of clunky. So not that it's bad. I just think it's kind of clunky. Yeah, it's kind of clunky for sure. I don't even know what that is, dude. Zango. I don't know what that is. Yeah, that cowbell skit is legit. I tried attaching my Exodus wallet to the QR code, said it was unreadable. That's interesting. You should be able to use Exodus. It says you can connect. You can go all wallets. I'm pretty sure you can do Exodus, right? Exodus. Boom. Yeah, I mean, it says you can scan or copy link with your phone. You might. So one thing you can do, I haven't used an Exodus wallet, but what you can do, one thing I've realized is that it's good to go into the wallet and then copy the link. So like, I'll give you an example here. So like, let's just take, let's actually log out of here. Let's go to SafePal. Let me put my password in real quick. Hold on. What is my password? There we go. So one thing you can do over here in the dApp section of it is you can say search dApp. You can actually paste the wallet. You can paste the address in here. So again, you want to make sure it's actually a legit website when you do this. If you don't know if it's a legit website, don't do it. But PureWallet's obviously it's a good website. So you go to the dApp section here, which is what I like, or in the browser section of it, and you can copy this in here, and it actually opens up inside the wallet. So now the wallet will actually open up and be connected inside the wallet itself. So you can actually do that, and that's actually an easier way to do it than the other way. So is to copy this address and then go to the inside the wallet where the browser is and paste it in there, because then you actually, that's what Coinbase requires. Actually, Coinbase wallet makes you do that. So if you're using a Coinbase wallet, you got to do that. PureWallet safe, yeah, it's ISO certified. I mean, they went through the ISO certifications on it right here. So it's ISO 27001, and if you don't know what that is, you can look it up. But the only other wallet in the space that's been ISO for security, gone through the security measures for ISO, is Trust Wallet. Trust Wallet's the only other one. Every other wallet doesn't have the ISO, so that means they did all the pen testing on it, and then they certified it. So from a security standpoint, it's the highest security standard in the space. So like I said, Trust Wallet's the only other wallet that has it. So kind of cool that they went through and did that. Yeah, kind of dig that, right? I need to make more simple passwords. Yeah. I bought the PureWallet through Exodus. Okay, so Patrick bought it through Exodus, so it looks like it's worked. Like I said, sometimes you got to copy it in there. When users purchase the cold wallet feature within the PureWallet, it goes towards the PureWallet token. Yes. So that's another cool thing here too with this token, is that this is a utility token. Like, it's a true utility. I mean, it's a governance token. And then, the money that's bought. So if someone buys a cold storage, which again, you'll have the cold storage for life. As long as you have the seed phrase, you'll have the cold storage for life. And as long as you have that, then you'll always have your cold storage. And so it's $39.95 for basically a lifetime, just like you would with your ledger, right? You pay the $70 for your ledger, you have it forever, right? The cool part, the thing is that if you lose this ledger, you got to buy a new ledger. So this is going to cost more money, right? If you lose your ledger, you have to buy a new ledger. With the PureWallet, all you got to do is just download the PureWallet again, and you download the PureWallet for free. You upload your seed phrase, you got your cold storage. You'll never have to buy another cold storage again. Which with the ledger, like I said, if you lose this or it gets lost or whatever, you got to buy a new one, which is another $75 out of your pocket. So there's that. You got to think about that. Where again, and if you say you're gone and you don't have your ledger with you, and you can download the PureWallet, upload a seed phrase anywhere around in the world, and be able to have access to it immediately. So there's a lot of positives happening on your phone versus having a separate device. And yes, the token actually goes to like $5 to $10. I don't know if they made a decision on how much it's going to be yet, but every time you buy the cold storage, $5 to $10 is going to go back to buying the token, and then it's going to just continue, and then that's going to get locked away forever, like that. So that'll just continue to build the liquidity and the floor of the token. So, just do the math. If you have, if 10,000 people download, buy a cold storage, and let's just do the simple math. If there's 10,000 people that buy a cold storage times 10, I mean, that's $100,000 that's going back to the token to buy the floor of the token. So, the token will continue to get bought up and be stacked away. I don't know anything about that Presale. I heard positive things about the Ledger Stacks daily profits, but I haven't used it. Not until you're not going to pay the $39.99 until mainnet, dude. So mainnet's going to actually drop on Monday. So the mainnet is going to. I heard word today that the mainnet's going to drop, and the only reason I know that's because I'm on test flight, and so the test flight came through. The test flight update came through, and you're going to be able to download it on Monday. So test flight's it's gonna be active on Monday, which will be cool. And at that point, you'll be able to buy the cold storage, and you'll be able to use the offline token. So I just ordered one day. Might do a review when it comes. Okay, yeah, dude, the review, dude. Thanks for it. Hey, no problem, Intrigue. Yeah, it's kind of cool. Like I said, this is different. No other wallets doing this. No other wallets buying back their tokens when something's purchased. There's a lot of positives to what this is doing, and I think it's something completely new to the space, right? No gas fees, cold storage, without hardware, speed and efficiency. They have offline, online, and a cold storage token. So I mean, 3-in-1. Yeah, there's positives to it, dude. No problem, dude. Sounds like the pre-sale should be illegal. They're not, dude. You can see right now. I mean, you got a pre-sale. We got the president of the United States dropping a pre-sale, bro. And again, it's a governance token, so I think there's a lot of things that are, that people can look at it either way. Being that this is a utility, being that they're actually trying to create governance or trying to actually do decentralization, I think is really big in this space. And you can see right here. I mean, you got the president of the free world creating a world liberty financial token right here, pre-sale. So I get what you're saying, but it's, as long as I think you're trying to really create utility and use case in this space where people can actually freely transfer money or use money across the blockchain is superior. That's what you want to do. I get with other ones that are coming out here. That's the other thing is that you have a lot of meme coins coming out here that are dropping pre-sales and things like that, and those things will rug overnight. At least, I knowing that this is behind with NS Labs, I feel a little bit better now that NS Labs is behind this too. So, NS Labs now owns this. NS Labs name is on this. It's no other name, and that's huge to me. You know what I mean? That's gotten big to me. Ledger is nothing like Coinbase. Coinbase is huge, dude. Do we have to hold PYT to be able to use the wallet, or can we pay a premium to use the wallet without holding PYT? No, you don't have to use PWT for anything. Again, it's up to you on how you use it. So the only reason you'd use PWT is for this stuff right here, right? So reduce transaction fees, obviously the governance side of it, the staking and mining opportunities, obviously access to any new projects that are going to be launching on, that would come onto the wallet or use the wallet in any way. And when the blockchain drops, you guys know there is the proof of authority blockchain, which is going to be called the Pure Chain, which is already out there. There's tons of paper out on it already. They're going to be having the smart mining of it, and you'll be able to mine through your phone as a validator. And so you got to hold the PureWallet token to then use the smart mining capabilities. So if you want to mine, you'll be able to then access that. And then for the offline, like I was telling you guys, so as you guys know, there is an offline setting, meaning that your tokens are going to get moved into an offline setting. When they get moved into the offline setting, separate from cold storage, you got your cold storage, you got your offline, and you got your hot wallet. Offline is where it basically it's like taking cash out of the bank. You're taking that cash out of the bank and you're putting it into your safe. Well, let's just say that your safe gets stolen. We'll just hypothetically, right, gets stolen and you lose your money's still on there, or you lose your wallet, or let's just say that your money's in your wallet. You have $1,000 in your wallet, your actual physical wallet. Like, I'm talking like, your physical wallet. Like you have money. Like I lose my wallet right here. There's $500 right here in cash, right? I lose this wallet. This money is going bye-bye, right? Well, they have an insurance thing on here where they'll actually be able to recover that portion of the wallet. By holding PureWallet tokens, you'll have access to that offline section to where you'll be able to recover your cash. So there's other cool parts to it. I think is really, really cool. How do you think new tariffs will affect crypto market? It's already affecting it negatively. So, I mean, it's coming down slightly, but yeah, it's definitely going to affect it negatively. Anything's possible in Seattle, 100%. Is the IO version ready yet? It's already out there, Big Watch. You can download it right now. Yeah, it's just in testnet. So don't send any money to it. Don't send any crypto to it or anything like that until it hits mainnet on Monday. Mainnet's supposed to hit on Monday. I mean, that's a goal, right? I mean, for it to get on for the PureWallet token to get onto Coinbase would be phenomenal, right? I mean, your goal is to get them listed on top tier exchanges. Now, I would advise not to go on to any other garbage exchange. Like, I mean, all those low tier exchanges are just expensive and stupid. I've experienced, I know now, like it's only about. It is literally only about. Here, I'll put the Presale. It's in my I actually touched it. I don't know. I'll put it in the chat here. I don't know if I put it in my I wasn't going to talk about it today, but I'll put it in the. Let's see here. PureWallet token Presale. I wasn't going to talk until someone brought it up, to be honest with you. But I'll put it in my description box down below. So in my description box for there, it's PureWallet. It'll say PureWallet token Presale. But yeah, there it is. I don't think you can buy a World Liberty Fine. I think this is only for, you have to be to do this. You have to actually be a approved creditor. So there's terms and conditions down here. So you actually have to go through and be you can't just be a random Joe off the street. So yeah, I don't think that they just open this up for anyone and everyone. How can they be safe as a cold wallet? I always told that it's offline. So it is offline. So the token's offline. So they're moving the token into an offline setting. So you can see right here, you can actually, you have the cold storage right here. See this little cold storage button. So you'll open this up. You'll go to the cold storage side. And let's see. I thought there was another photo on here. Right here. So you'll have no internet. You'll have no internet that's connected to the wallet if you choose to have that. But also this is their patented. This is why it's patented technology. It's technology that was created to move your tokens into an offline setting. So they are moving into an offline setting that gets stored on the basically on a pure chain that's on the wallet, and that's how they get saved in an offline setting. So when they're in the offline setting, no one has access to it except you or whoever has access to that phone or that key. So that's the patented technology behind it. So again, they're basically going from the Ethereum blockchain, off the Ethereum blockchain into offline setting where they sit there as a 1-to-1 for whatever that Ethereum was. So like, if you're moving 5 Ethereum into the offline setting, it's still going to be 5 Ethereum in an offline setting, and then it's going to continue to build the pricing, right? Because it's still that 1-for-1 value. Doesn't change, but it's just in an offline setting. So that's the patented technology that they've created for this. Austin, since PureWallet token, I've been buying up pre-sales for all sorts of things. Yeah, be careful, dude. Not all pre-sales are good pre-sales, Billion, right? I'll tell you that right now, dude. Trust me. I've been in a lot of pre-sales. Some pre-sales are not good, bro. Some pre-sales promise you the world and other ones don't. You know what I mean? Like sometimes you can make it, sometimes not. So just, yeah, be careful with your pre-sales. I know they sound good, right? But they have to have good tech behind them or something good behind it. Hey, a gamble's a gamble. Oh, true. A gamble is a gamble. That's true. I'll give you that. Kind of knew everything here. What's another good exchange to use other than Coinbase? I use crypto.com. Wherever they I think that, wherever they put the token, if it's on, if it's an Ethereum based or if it's, Base or Solana, wherever they choose to, right now you have to buy with Ethereum, so it could be an Ethereum based token or it could be a coin, it could be Base on a Coinbase. And so you just go onto the decentralized side and sell it. So does that mean that PureWallet token goes live Monday? No, it just means that Monday means that the wallet. So as you guys know, there's these wallets right here. When I say testnet, that means that there's functions that are going through testing phases, and it's called a test net. And then when you want to go to the main net, that means that you've actually put it on here. See the Ethereum main net? You have a base main net. You have all these main nets right here. So when you say that it's going to go onto the main net, that means that it's going to connect to all these main nets, Ethereum main net, any main net that's on there, Bitcoin's main net. So that means you made it live. And so that's what's happening. You're making the wallet go live to accept all the main nets, accept BNB, all that stuff. So where do you see PureWallet token going price wise? Best guess. I mean, it's so hard to say, dude. You know what I mean? Usually a lot of these things go, your whole goal is to keep the chart steady and climbing. And that's what's nice about it, is that if you believe in the project and you believe with what it's doing, you're going to stake your tokens for governance. So you're going to go there and you're going to stake these things to make your voting, which is going to help hold a floor. And then on top of that, you're going to be, people that are buying the cold storage function, wanting to use the cold wallet, they're going to be buying it for $39.95 for a lifetime. And money of that is going to go back to buy up the token. So that floor is going to continue to rise, which is the whole goal. So if the floor continues to rise, that means the price is going to continue to rise. So it's hard to say, dude, until it actually comes out and starts working and the things come to, people start using it. And I mean, it's hard to really say, dude, to be honest with you. It really is hard to say. But I mean, I'm going to put my money in there just because, again, I not only did I work on the project and I like the technology, I also like the decentralized side of it, and I want to be involved in it. So I'm going to put my money out there to buy tokens to help with the governance side of it and help do that. So, I mean, we'll have a voice in the way that this thing runs. If you like that kind of stuff, that's what you kind of do. Waiting and accumulating. Okay. Can you buy the world finance through a broker then? You might be able to. I don't know, dude. Ripple posted 50 minutes ago. Okay, let's take a look at it. Let's go Twitter. It's crazy I still call it Twitter. Ripple, where's my Ripple at? The Q4 market report on Ripple, the final core report, brought key developments for XRP and the broader crypto. 280% price movement as regulatory uncertainty faded. XRP demand soared. Gosh, dude, they hit that. Let's see what it says here. Yeah, key lights. Yeah, they've done a really good 280% surge. That's really good, dude. Yeah, they're looking at 3 ETF issuers, including Bitwise, Canary Capital, and 21 shares. Also with Wisdom Tree and CoinShares filed for the S1. Nice, dude. They talk about the briefing. I kind of like that they did this. It's kind of cool that they actually went into some insights on this. Good, kudos to them, man. They definitely outperformed. Bitcoin and Ethereum. That's for sure. We're trying to project in the next bear market. It's going to be roughly around August, September. Look into the paradise, the game. It's making XRP look bad. Why is it making it look bad, Billion? Right? I just tuned in and I can't find the cold storage on the App Store. How do you get it? You talking about, David? Are you talking about for a PureWallet? You got to just go to if you go to the app, go to the website here. It's not a cold. It's not out. It's not mainnet yet, but just go here. You can click on, and you can download it from the App Store. And send Cat 50 tokens. Can Cat send you back 100 tokens? So you can go in here. You can download it right here. It's from, and just make sure it's the NS Labs right here. App allows offline trading, so that's kind of cool. And then again, PureWallet is a novel hybrid that includes built-in cold wallet. So yeah. And again, what about World Liberty Finance? I don't know. Austin is a fake game selling crypto on the XRP. Is it really? Damn, dude, that's crazy. Alfredo Mendina. It's the hard part is that's how it felt for a really long time with crypto, right? XRP was one of them. I'm not promoting XRP. I'm just I'm happy for XRP. I mean, our prices are up really, really good. Long-term holders of it makes it, you're happy for it. It's not necessarily promoting. It's just exciting. Thinking about more XLM if it dips under 40 cents. Yeah, it could be a good buy. Better not hit your stop loss. It's not gonna go anywhere. You don't think it's gonna go anywhere? Polka dots. I mean, polka dots. Some people are down on polka dot right now. So yes, for long term, you're right. Yeah, long term. I mean, I've been holding for 3 years, dude. So XRP being up, almost 700% right now is phenomenal, right? I mean, it's a hard thing to say, especially when you're up. You know what I mean? Like yeah. So let's see here. We have about 10 minutes until the next 4 hour comes in here. We'll see what how the next 4 hour reacts. It's XRP is coming back down. We'll see if we can actually bounce off this $3 mark. The 4 hours looking a little rough. We'll see what the next 4 hour brings. We have about 10 minutes until the next 4 hour. I mean, XCN's been killing it too, dude. You know what I mean? You can't really knock it. I mean, up 1,300% in the last month. I mean, you can't really knock it. Like I said, I mean, yeah, I don't show much love on here. I don't own any of it. I don't know enough about it, but I'm not going to knock it because people made some good money off it, bro. You know what I mean? I'm happy for them. What's up, Dad Bible? What's up, Austin? Just tuning in. Appreciate you being here, man. Dip in the market this weekend. It's right now the 4 hours on its way down. The 12 hours on its way down on XRP as well. Right here just took a turn. So we'll see how this next candle is going to look. We'll see where how far this drops here in about 10 minutes. We'll see where the RSI goes. It could come down to the middle right here, which would be good. I mean, allow us to have a nice little bounce up. This is coming down pretty hot right now, coming towards the end of here. I might hit my buy order here in a minute. John, I know it's all good though. You know what I mean? There's a lot of people out here that made a lot of money off XCN, dude, and I'm super happy for them. It's the PureWallet, the same technology as the Ledger Nano, but on the phone, but physically you have a user there. Yeah, it's the same. Yeah, they're competing. That's their, I mean, all reality. I mean, Ledger's been around for a long time. Like, so competing with them is hard. But yeah, the goal is that's the competition, man, is to go out here. You can see right here, you got your Ledger. It says offline transaction. They can't, none of these can do it over here. PureWallet can do offline transactions. You use private key plus user device. Ledger is only private key. Hot wallet not needed. So you can see right here, you have to have a device with you. Here with PureWallet, there's no add-ons. Gas fee is free. The price is $39.95, and so they're comparing this to actually the Nano, or to the which one was this? This is the Ledger Flex right here. So it's $270. So I mean, again, you get the Nano for $75. But yeah, that's what they're comparing it to here. And then they're comparing the hot wall comparisons as well. So, obviously, again, do your research on it. But I mean, I think the good part, is having the capability of having it on my phone. I'm only paying $39.95 one time ever, as long as I have my seed phrase. Again, I've had a friend here who's lost their Ledger like 5 times. So they paid a shit ton of money just buying their Ledger back. Where here you just have to download the app and upload your seed phrase onto it, and you have access to your cold storage again. You know what I mean? So just a lot different, I think. But yeah, that's their competition for sure. Did you stake in PureWallet? Oh, is that what you asked? Did I stake my tokens in PureWallet? No, I haven't staked it. No. But to be a part of the governance side of it, you're going to have to stake tokens to be part of the governance. Meaning that if you're gonna vote on a proposal, you got to stake tokens. That's how you vote. Staking tokens is how you vote for a proposal, and then they release the tokens back to you. So that's how you do governance. So the more tokens you hold, the bigger your voice is for a vote. So did you stake on PureWallet? No, I did not stake on PureWallet. No. But you can if you want to. That is an option if you choose to. So you can send crypto to it. Monday, Kevin. Monday it will come out on the mainnet. You'll be able to. People have already sent Ethereum to the wallet right now, and the Ethereum's there. It just doesn't show up because it's not on mainnet. So once it hits mainnet, then you'll be able to have access to doing that kind of stuff. Bro, my DC on XRP is 223. I'm good at 259. I'll buy more. All right. We got 6 minutes. EMA crossed over. You think we're heading down further? We could head down a little bit further, right? But I showed you right here, this $3 is a pretty strong level. Even if it dips down below, we're going to come back to this $3 level. You can see even with this dip, we come back up here, testing around the 307 marker. EMA crossed. Yeah. What is your opinion on pricing of Ripple unlocking $1 billion sometime tomorrow? That's usually creates a lot of fear in the market. Last couple times they've relocked them. You know what I mean? I had a friend that kept his decent wallet just sitting out on a couch along with the seed phrase. Are you serious, bro? And did it actually get taken, or? Dude, that's awesome. I'm happy that you did that, man. Hawaii Rider, I can't wait till banks can custody my crypto. Dude, I'll make it easy, right? Where can we get PureWallet token downloaded the wallet? Sorry, I just got back. What you should do, Lord, if you want to do it, is go and you want to have like a MetaMask, or because right now the PureWallet itself is not on mainnet. So use SafePal, go download SafePal or MetaMask and move Ethereum over there. And then you can go in and you can actually connect it to the website here. Again, right up here, you can go and connect it. Right here, connect your wallet. You'll click like SafePal or MetaMask, and then you'll connect it. And as you can see right here, shows that I purchased it. And then if I wanted to buy some more, I would just, don't do max. You want to actually put a note. If you do max, you won't have enough left over for gas. So be careful of that as well. So yeah. Are you out of here, Tim? Did I see you leaving, dude? I think I saw Tim. Sequel Cat, no worries. Oh, I thought Tim was leaving. Transfer all my tokens to PureWallet, and then the whole company goes bankrupt. Well, no, that's the thing is that it's a decentralized wallet, dude. So it's you can take that seed phrase and upload it into MetaMask, and you'll have access, right? So that's the part that's nice about it, is that it's decentralized. So yeah, they might own the interface to it, but once it's there, right? So that's the thing. And as long as you have access to a PureWallet, it's like I said, it's you can have access to it. So with massive growth in XRP, is PureWallet active or is it in the making? It's active. You can actually download it right now. It's just not on mainnet. It's not on mainnet till Monday. Have my ETH on Trust Wallet. You can use Trust Wallet too right now. Yeah, you can just go right over here to you can go connect wallet. You go to all wallets, and then you can type in, look at Trust Wallets right there. So you just put your Trust Wallet in, and then you would then make the purchase. And if it's not connecting there, you can actually copy and paste this into the browser function if you wanted to. Can get you a really nice book. A couple ETH. Good stuff, Austin. Thanks for no problem, dude. How much should we buy? Yeah, someone ended up stealing it. Oh my god, dude, that's crazy. You end up stealing it. All right, we got about 3 minutes. Let's see where it's happening right now. 3 minutes. It's kind of flat right now. Yeah, that's crazy that you left that out there. You had the wrong. Yeah, be careful with the wrong URL, dude. Yeah, make sure you actually go to the right one to paste it in. It's purewallet.ai. And make sure you're actually on the right one before you put it in your wallet. You can get scammed pretty quickly. What's the reason of the dump? I think just market, just tariffs and that kind of stuff. Yeah, I have an order at $3, like just above $3. I went with it's unhackable, only uses QR codes. Yeah, that's not bad, Hawaii Rider. That's not bad. Hey, I'm out here. Everyone, have a great day. All right, Billy and Wright, take it easy. Yeah, I'm only gonna be out here for a couple more minutes, so we're gonna wait for this. We're gonna bring in the 4-hour chart together, and then I'll probably be bouncing off. Austin, what are your main 3 rules? Don't buy on green candles. Always take profits. Did I have so many? I don't know. There's a lot, dude. I could probably go down a ledge. I probably need to make a list of all my rules that I stick with. But yeah, I don't buy on green candles. I always sell for sell for a profit. Don't take that loss. Yeah, and there's probably other ones I'm brain farting on. No FOMO. Yeah, that's still buying on green candles. That's your homework then, Austin. Yeah, I have a lot of rules. Thanks for your lives. You can provide great value. Hey, Dad Bible, thanks so much, man. I appreciate that. Make sure fan is happy. Number one rule. Do your research. Yeah, do your own research. Trail stop losses. Yeah, I got a lot right there, right? I probably got all you guys out here probably got these rules coming out here. Don't listen to fan. Oh, you guys are crazy. You guys are crazy. A lot of people have taxes due. 100%, dude. ZXN. Can someone explain the point of MetaMask and I need it if I have a ledger? Just because MetaMask is a hot wallet and Ledger is a cold wallet. So big difference. One's a software wallet, one's a cold wallet. So yeah, they do different things. Any of that Pure Chain coin? Not yet. It hasn't dropped yet. Eventually the Pure Chain coin will. And yeah, hopefully get in on that. Last thing, Oz, I'm gonna have Mashburn make me an A-team laser engraved gun. Dude, that's badass. A-team laser engraved gun, dude, that's wild. All right, so the new 4 hour just came in. Let's see right here. We should see a new 4 hour. Yep, it came down. Look at that 4 hour. It came down pretty good. Dip below. So yeah, we'll probably see. It'll be interesting to see where this goes. The 1 hour is definitely down. The 12 hour we're going to see here around 4 o'clock. We'll see where this actually goes on the 4 hour. Yeah, we could probably have. Let's see here. Yeah, in 1 hour we could probably have it hit this go down to about this 50% mark. So yeah, I'm probably going to keep it here at this $3 mark and see what happens. Can you get it now? What are you talking about, Connor? Get what now? Go touch some grass. Yeah, Eliza, that's another one. Go touch some grass for sure. This is not financial advice. 30% slippage for ETH normal. I don't know about. You mean gas or slippage? Yeah, I mean gas can be expensive, right? Let's see what gas. I haven't looked at what gas is today. Let's see what gas is. Haven't looked at GUI. It's at $3. That's not bad. So yeah, that's not normal. Pure Chain got it. Yeah, they're gonna be coming out with the Pure Chain. Yeah, if you're in, hopefully here on Monday when it comes to mainnet, and if you're in Europe, obviously with the European, with like Brexit and all that stuff, like the European nation, they have to go through a separate set of approvals over there. So unfortunately, PureWallet's not available over in Europe, but hopefully here on Monday it is once it gets approved on the mainnet. So yeah, Pure Chain, is it a pre-sale? It's a PureWallet token. Pure Chain won't be coming out till hopefully the end of 2025. Which will be the blockchain 4, which is another blockchain out there, will be a proof of authority, and the PureWallet will be the interface of that, which would be cool. So that's kind of the whole thing. Yeah, no FOMO, touching grass, no financial advice, 100%, dude. You're crazy, bro. You're crazy. But yeah, with all that, guys, I hope you guys have a fantastic rest of your day. Make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up. It was great coming on here. Thank you guys so much for all the donations. Jaco, you're awesome for all your stuff. Everyone out here that donated, appreciate you guys a ton, dude. You guys are amazing. And really, really appreciate it a ton. You guys are fantastic. And if you have any questions about the PureWallet, like I said, I know we got into, I wasn't anticipating talking about it, but if you have any questions about it, definitely jump over in the Discord. We'll be over there. We'll talk about it more. We haven't even started marketing. Like the team hasn't even marketed for PureWallet yet, right? I've only just brought it up to you guys. So, I know that they plan on going out there and doing some stuff with it and all that good stuff. So yeah, with all that, hope you guys have a fantastic rest of your day. Make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button. Love you guys. With all that, we're out. Peace out, everyone. Be safe.